lentil burger today for my vegetarian husband. And because it's his birthday today, I'm adding extra flavors. That's turmeric, curry powder, paprika, and we have mint here. Adding chickpea flour to lentil pate. This is only not only vegetarian, vegan, it's also low carb and gluten-free. Baking powder, because it's no eggs in there, we need to lighten up a little bit, to fluff up a little bit. I already put the salt and pepper. Now we're just going to mix it by hand. Just keep it rolling in between your palm and then flatten up in your palm, and there's your burger.